welcome back to Hello High for another great cannabis recipe. Now today I'm showing you how to make Cannabis Infused hot sauce. Now to make homemade hot sauce, you have to ferment the hot peppers before you make the sauce. So the first step I'm going to show you is the fermentation process. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need apple cider vinegar, garlic, a variety of hot peppers, sugar, 1 onion, kosher salt, and can of olive oil. Start by cutting the tops off the hot peppers and slicing them in half. I like to leave the seeds, but that's just my preference. If you decide to remove the seeds, make sure you wear some latex gloves because the seeds and hot peppers will irritate your skin. Now, I like to use a combination of mild to very hot peppers to give my sauce different flavors and also not to make the sauce too hot. But if you like it spicy and only want to use habanero peppers for your hot sauce, I'ma pray for you. After the peppers are cut, peel 2 garlic cloves until smooth, and then cut both the ends so they look like this. Next, you want to peel and cut a medium-sized onion in half, and then cut the onion into 2 quarters. I'm only using 1/4 size for this recipe, but if you like onions, you can add more. Then set the piece of onion aside with the garlic and the peppers. Now before you put the peppers in the jar, you need to create a